A very warm welcome to Gibraltar. The local time here is just past 2:30 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. If you require any assistance here in Gibraltar, please speak to one of our ground colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who've ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all of us on board and at British Airways, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you, and a very good afternoon to you all.
Captain, that's Door Manual and cross check, thank you.